Hi guys, I'm Anna Tagalog. I'm here to represent to you one of the example of application of differential equation in engineering. So, money ang problem. A thermometer reading 18 degrees Fahrenheit is brought into the room where the temperature is 70 degrees Fahrenheit. 1 minute later, the thermometer reading is at 31 degrees Fahrenheit. Determine the temperature reading as a function of the time, and in the particular, find the temperature reading 5 minutes after the thermometer is brought into the room. So, let's go to solve. So, mauni atong given. Ambient temperature is 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, initial temperature equals 18 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperature, then ang kini is mauni ang kuan after 1 minute. So, 31 degrees Fahrenheit. So, karon ato nang isolve. T equals 70 plus C e the power of k t. So, ang t is 18. Then, copy ang 70. Plus, copy ra nato ang C ug E. Then, K. Then, ang kanang T is 0. Tapos, copyhon na po nato ang 18 equals 70 plus C. Ang C is constant. And then, ato na din uban sa 18 ug 70. 18 minus 70 equals C. Ato rang gi transpose ha. So, 18 minus 70 is negative 52 C. So, muna na yung atong constant. Then, next, bato na to is T equals 70 minus, gamitin na to si negative 52. So, dugon lang japan na to siya. 70 minus 52 E K T. So, gamiton na po nato ni si 31. 31, copy na to si 70 minus 52 diba ang 31 kay after 1 minute. So, ang kaning T is time ni siya. So, butang na to si 1 dere. Then, copy na yapon si 31 minus 70. So, negative 52. Ato siyang i-multiply dire. So, negative 52 lang yapon. Equals negative 52 E. Tapos, K. And then, negative 39 over negative 52 equals, kay ko ni siya 31 minus 37 ay 31 minus 70 is 39. Then atong i-divide both side, no? Copy na to si 52. Okay, so i-divide na to both side og negative 52. So cancel. So ln 39 over 52 equals ln, then mo na ni iyang answer, negative 0.29. So, pangitaon na po nato ang isa, no, nga katong question dito is find the temperature reading 5 minutes after the thermometer is brought into room. So, mao ni siya, no, itong buhaton. T equals 70 minus 52 E. So, di ba, atong key is negative 0.29. So, butang to diri negative 0.29 T. Then, T minus 7T minus 52 E. Ato ni i-apply ang katong time niya nga 5 minutes. So, 0.295. Then, muna ni ang result. 50 minus 52. Then, E to the negative 0.29 times 5. So, 57.8 Fahrenheit. So, I hope na mo na